But we've been using Pendo for about 8 months. The primary reason was actually we wanted to help with onboarding users and surveying customers and NPS ratings. We find that we actually use it a little bit differently than that, because the capabilities are actually more powerful than we had even hoped for. So it's given us a lot of ability to experiment and powerful analytics tools and a whole slew of other things. I mean, every day, me and people on my team log into Pendo and take a look at new features that we've launched, see how things are doing, see if our scores or NPS has increased or decreased. So it's become like sort of a staple of our overall stack. So the two teams that we use Pendo for at Realtor are a product called My Home, which is for a product for homeowners, and then we also use it on Doorsteps, which is our rentals site. So two totally separate users, two separate use cases altogether, and we kind of use some similar functionality. So we use it for experimentation and analytics on both, but the actual users and the types of things that we do are pretty different, because they're someone who owns a home versus people who are looking for an apartment. So anytime we launch a new feature, we're always measuring to see if how things are going. So a lot of the click streams and sort of the funnel data we look at, plus just the general usage of any feature. So we've actually we've answered a lot of questions with Pendo. Some of them have been primarily around, is this a feature that people want, before we even spend time building it, right? So we'll put up a value proposition and kind of feature fake style experiments and determine, is that getting us, are people actually using this, and do people want this, before we spend any time building it. So we do a lot of that type of experimentation. So some of the key questions, we had a feature that would have taken a substantial amount of development work to build out, and through the Pendo tool, we just kind of said, hey, this is this new product that we launched, click here to get more. And then, oh, sorry, it's coming soon, and your email. The conversion wasn't that high, and so we've decided not to proceed with it at this moment. But that's super powerful stuff for product managers to be able to kind of weed through that. How much did it save us? Quite a bit. I mean, it's tough to say, but in terms of like if I think about our team, maybe a month worth of development overall. And so we launched out the feature in like a couple of days, got interest within a couple of days, and so we just said, hey, let's. And by the way, that was most of the work that we did in the to test that was through product people and design. It wasn't so much spending all of our most prized resources of our developer time. So that was really helpful. Other cool things we've launched or we've done with Pendo, I mean, like I said, we've done a lot with experimentation, and so we're always looking for ways on how to continue to push that forward. So variety of experiments have kind of passed through our shop, both on My Home and Doorsteps. The things I'm looking forward to most within Pendo is just help arming ourselves with more evidence to build great products, and also helping arm ourselves that the products that we have shipped people actually use and love. And so anything that kind of helps steer us that way is critical for us.